Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry, where we send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. Alright everyone, it's Josh Taylor, and I want to welcome you to another exciting episode of the Forex Market Preview, and I'm your host, Josh Taylor. Hey, we're going to be looking at today's market preview is going to be less of a preview. It's going to be kind of a mixture of preview and review. I want to talk about some of the current trades that we're in, some of these trades we've been in since mid last week for my customers, my ProSignals direct clients and Mirror Trader customers, and some of the trades we have pending we've been sitting on for a little while. And I want to give you an idea of why we're taking some of these trades and what I'm looking at on the chart, so that you get a better understanding. I mean, we get so many emails on a daily basis that, you know, hey, I understand that we're taking this trade, but why are we taking this trade? So I want to get a little bit more in depth in what I'm looking at on the charts, so that you guys can learn as I'm going through the process and sending you signals. The goal is ultimately for you to learn how to trade for yourself. So the first trade we're going to look at right now is a trade we've been in for since last week that seems to be hesitating and really not doing much. And this is the USD yen. So the first thing I do is always look at the weekly chart. I never trade off the weekly chart, but the weekly chart at least gives me a long-term perspective of where this pair has been, what it's working on. It does some help me with market direction, looking at the trend. Are we sideways? Is the trend up or trend down? And you can see here that the USD yen has basically been in a sideways channel, went up. We did have a significant pullback, and I'm guessing that is a 70. Yeah, it's a 79% retracement right on it. Perfect. Look at that. From that swing low to the swing high, it actually pulled straight back to the 79% retracement and went into a sideways channel. This 77-73 line is obviously over weeks and weeks and weeks is the extremely solid support level. I want to make sure I mark that off on my chart. 77-73. It's not going to be on my daily charts yet because we're not down that far. But that's something to keep track of. As if the price would ever pull down to that level, we are going to have a significant pullback on that level. So anyway, the price has been working its way back up. You can see it's kind of turning right here. It's working its way back up. Last week we had a pull down, but pretty much the last couple of weeks it's been riding in this channel. In fact, like if I go to a daily chart, you can see that the price has pretty much been going sideways. I'm going to zoom that out. You know, for the last couple of weeks, it's been kind of moving through this little mini range between 80.50 and 75.50. Okay, about a 77.50. I'm sorry about that. So about a 300 pip range that this pair has been moving in since about May. So we've been running in this 300 pip channel. And price has since then been just slowly but surely moving up. It's been trending up if you look long term, starting around last October of last year. That its pair has been moving up. It moved up significantly, it came back down, worked its way back to this trend line, and this trend line is continuing to hold. So that trend line is not going to help me in the current trade that I'm in. But remember that we talked about in the weekly chart that this 77-73 level was the 79% retracement of this upswing. All right, and then it's holding the base at that pullback. So if you convert that over here, 77-73 would be right here. Right? I can't get that perfect. Actually, I can. 77.73. And you can see that if price would pull back on this pair, this is a daily chart, a good couple hundred pips, if this thing would run all the way down, we would have what's called a confluence of events. I want you to look at the screen and I want you to think about this. A confluence of events. So what is a confluence of events? That is where multiple events happen at the same time. So not only do we have a solid base at the 77.73 off of the weekly chart, but we also have, it is a base of this trend line that has held pretty dang strong for a year. Okay, it obviously break above it, but it came back down and it's holding as a solid support. So what happened if price would drop down 200 pips right here, down to around the 77.73 area, and it's give or take, 20, 30 pips when you're talking about daily charts. We're talking about two key levels converging at the same time. All right, for a huge opportunity for a buy, especially if U.S. data coming out is still bullish. Okay, so folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.